Millions of Instagram reels constantly talk about the magic of solo travel, but it's only when you're actually out there that you realize why everyone says it. Because it's entirely true. You're capable of so much more than you think. You just have to have the courage to put yourself in those places to begin with. This 10-day solo journey through Yunnan was one massive lesson for me. It was a week and a half of losing myself in ancient culture, standing in awe of giant monasteries, spinning the largest prayer wheel, and making lifelong friends out of total strangers that made the trip so much more special. But more than anything, it was the mountains that changed me. My very first high-altitude hike pushed me to my absolute limits. It was brutal, but it humbled me. It gave me profound respect for the resilience the mountain people have, and proved to me just how resilient I could be. The plan was simple. Fly from Dhaka to Kunming with a transit in Guangzhou, then follow the classic route through Dali, Lijiang, then hike at the Tiger Leaping Gorge, and finally reach Shangri-La. In this episode, I welcome you all to join me as I explore the daily life and scenic spots of Kunming, the city of eternal spring. And it's where the journey of my 10-day Yunnan trip officially begins. So I just got to know that the buses from Kunming to Shilling, where the stone forest is located, leave only at 9, 10 and 12 in the morning. And unfortunately, I missed the bus for today. Buses for Shilling leave tomorrow, and I will be leaving Kunming tomorrow. So unfortunately, I'm not sure if I can actually visit Stone Forest today. So it's already what? I haven't adjusted my watch yet. It's already 1:30 in the afternoon, and I'm back to my hostel. This is the building I'm staying at. I think it's a 26th floor. A pretty little park here. I've decided to finish my lunch now, and then we'll see how the day goes. Do you speak English? Speak English? No English? I was just... no Chinese, sorry. 听不懂. It's okay, 谢谢. I am waiting. I couldn't stick to my itinerary because my flight got delayed yesterday at Guangzhou due to really bad weather. It rained for almost 2 hours. My flight was delayed for 2 hours, and I reached my hotel at 4 in the morning. It was pretty late. I was extremely jet lagged. I was awake from 8 in the morning. I had to go to the airport, get through immigration and do all the formalities. It was very draining, so I had to get the sleep. I woke up at around 11. I had to go down and get my power bank, triple C certified power bank. Pro tip. If you're taking the domestic flights in China, make sure to bring power banks that have clearly legible capacity label. Here's a capacity tier table for your reference. Not only that, your power bank has to have a CCC or China Compulsory Certification logo on its body. Otherwise, it's going to be confiscated in the airport. And I'm yet to convert my dollar to yuan. So that's pending as well. So all these took a little time, and in the morning I got busy doing these chores. So I missed the buses from Kunming to Shilling, where the stone forest is located, where I actually was pretty excited to go. But unfortunately, this is not happening at the moment. But it is what it is. We cannot just sit back. We have to make proper use of our time, of course. So I grabbed some lunch and decided I'll visit Dianchi Lake. That's where we're heading right now. And it's about 13 kilometers from where my hostel is. We're getting closer by the minute. For a bus at the end of the night, under street lamp, bed face flamed by the light. Just got dropped off at this place from my DD. I ran into trouble trying to pay the DD driver and some Chinese dudes. They were also queuing up for that same ride. They got in and helped me out. Okay, so each and every step is a learning curve for me. And now I am here at the Dianchi Lake scenic spot, I guess. I cannot read anything, of course. I'll just try to get in, see what's going on. 你好, Dianchi Lake scenic spot? Dianchi Lake? Dianchi Lake. This way? 谢谢. Yeah, I think this is the right spot.
The sheer scale of this place immediately blew me away. It's the largest freshwater lake in Yunnan province and the 6th biggest in all over China. Sitting way up at nearly 1900 meters above sea level, Dianchi Lake covers approximately 300 square kilometers. To put that into perspective, this body of water is essentially the size of the entire city of Amsterdam, or Munich, or Dhaka.
The whole place was just buzzing with people. Everywhere you looked, there were tourists. In fact, it was so packed that I couldn't even get a clean shot of myself walking. This finally feels like a break. The start wasn't that great. I had a lot of struggle communicating with the Chinese people. Although they were very patient and helpful, most of them, almost all of them, don't understand a single word in English. So it's been a very, very difficult past few hours here in Kunming. Starting from the airport to the shops. Although we call it the city of eternal springs, it is not feeling quite moderate weather-wise. It's quite hot out here. And so far, if you ask me my experience of solo trip, I'm not quite enjoying it, to be very honest with you guys. I miss my girlfriend. I miss my friends. I miss my family. I miss Dhaka streets. I miss the smell of Dhaka. I even miss the rickshawala mamas. And of course, the Bangla khabar, Bangla food. I have no complaints with Kunming and the people treating me here, but it feels really lonely when you cannot communicate with anyone. What I should have done is probably stayed at hostels, 6 to 8 bunk beds, where I could have had the opportunity to meet other foreign people. But it is what it is. Every moment is a growth. I'm having to step out of my comfort zone every now and then. So that's real growth taking place, I believe. That's the only consolation I can give myself right now.
I kept exploring the scenic area further, took some cool shots, and I'm really happy with the compositions. And as I was exploring further, a group of local kids came up to me, super excited to take pictures together. That tiny interaction with them completely turned my mood around. All on a sudden, it was time to say goodbye to Dianchi Lake and start for my next destination, Green Lake Park. Green Lake, also known as the Shade of Kunming. It's this cozy, emerald green sanctuary made up of 4 small sub-lakes, all linked together by these beautiful, traditional Chinese bridges. Back in the day, this place was actually a functional water reservoir for the city. It was turned into a formal park way back in the 17th century. If you happen to visit during the winter months, you're in for a massive treat. Thousands of black-headed gulls migrate all the way from Siberia to escape the cold, settling right here in these waters. Since I'm here in the summer, I miss the birds, but the energy on the ground is still unmatched. As you just wander through the park, you're completely surrounded by local life. Kids are running around chasing these massive soap bubbles, red lanterns hang from the trees, and you just stumble upon the most unique things like these hilarious little head-tilting musical toys, or local musicians like Jack offering to sing you a local song with his ukulele.
为寂寞的夜空画上一个月亮，把我画在那月亮下面歌唱。为冷清的房子画上一扇大窗，再画上一张床，画一个姑娘陪着我，再画个花边的被窝。 画上灶炉与柴火，我们一起生。
I stumbled upon the shop where you can design your own custom beads. I picked out my favorite colors and pieced together a small one for me. And at this point, I became very conservative with taking more clips as my SD card ran out of storage. So I don't have a clip to show you the beads that I made.
Got myself a little thigh burger here, chicken thigh burger. Tastes almost similar to BFC burger. Crunchy on the outside, quite chewy on the inside. I like it. For 6 yuan, it's a pretty good burger, I'd say. Are you guys from Kunming? Do you speak English? Do you speak English? No. No? Oh, it's okay. What are you having? What is that? What is that? Pianchang Kwang? Is it good? Good? Okay, okay. Enjoy, enjoy. 谢谢.
I walked around the park a little longer. I wanted to get some photos, but they didn't turn out quite the way I wanted them to. The real adventure of the night was getting back to my room. So I really wanted to try out those electric mini scooters of Kunming, but registering myself to the Alipay system was a big challenge for me. Just as I was about to give up, this kind father and son walking by noticed my struggle and took their sweet time to finally get the scooter unlocked for me. I'm so grateful to them. And what followed was pure magic. I hadn't driven a single vehicle back home in Dhaka for years, but here I was, cruising through the wide, organized lanes of Kunming, riding 7 kilometers all the way back to my hostel. And it was a feeling of ultimate freedom, I tell you. Right there, I found my confidence. The next morning, I headed out early to Kunming railway station. This would be my first time in a bullet train, and I was excited to say the least. We were traveling at almost 200 kilometers an hour. As you can see, the view started to shift slowly, and the excitement for what was ahead started to kick in. Next stop, Dali. I'll be exploring the ancient town, the historic landmarks, and get lost around the shores of Tiger Lake. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you all so much if you watched the video this far. If you want to see more of this solo backpacking adventure, make sure to hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you all in the next video.